Stop.
No, this is my daughter.
Put that down.
This is my daughter. She's
I
14. You
understand
can't arrest a 14-year-old. No, you cannot. No, you can't. Let me get my dog.
You are not gonna
Let me get my dog.
You are not going to walk over.
He's gonna start fighting everybody. Let me get my dog. Let me get on the ground. Fucking dog.
Get on the ground.
I'm not a risky shit. I'm not.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Body cam footage from Loveland Police shows officers responding to a minor dispute involving a 14-year-old girl retrieving personal items like a unicorn keychain and lanyard from her 18-year-old ex after a breakup. According to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. Officers escalated the situation dramatically despite the boy declining to press charges and the items being trivial, treating a simple teenage argument as a full domestic violence call that justified aggressive intervention on private property.
14-year-old?
Well, I'm his training officer, so I'm just observing him. And then
Fair enough.
he's got a cover officer to help him out. So I'm just, since he's in training, I have to be with him. Okay.
I'm dead.
Okay. I'm Officer Dunlap. This is Officer Wood. He's going to talk to
Pleasure to
you.
meet you.
Hi, sir.
How you doing?
Hey, so we didn't our ex-boyfriend over at the Safeway. She got into a verbal argument with him and then slapped him in the face. Several other people saw the same thing. We got several other statements. He confirmed that they had been in an intimate relationship, so this makes this a domestic violence situation. So today, I'm trying to get permission to speak with her and kind of get further information about it.
Hello.
You want to come out here, please?
How are you?
They won't hurt you at all.
Really happy to,
Okay, thank you.
really happy to still be supposed to be off duty, but
Your pants will collect here.
Why are you still
This
here?
guy,
because of this thing. Because this is, he's
got.
got PC for DV, a juvenile DV. Well, actually, he's an adult. He's 18.
Yes.
Yes.
Elijah, okay. You had the
Yes.
incident today where you got into a verbal argument over some belongings, correct? What's that? That's fine. Is there somewhere you want to sit, or?
No, but my chair's all done.
So can you kind of tell me what happened between you guys today?
I was asking him for my shit back because we got in a breakup because he likes to cheat on me for 7 months. So I wanted my unicorn back, my lanyard back, my elephant back, and my bike lock key, and my bike lock. And so I only got, and my dad's bike, or my dad's, what's it called, bungee cord. And I didn't get the bungee cord back. I didn't get my elephant back. I went over there once for the bungee cord. He said he would pay for it. And he told me to pull the money out of my ass. And then I walked away. And then I came back home. And then I was like, okay, I looked at the lanyard to make sure he didn't leave anything on it, to make sure he gave me everything. And then I realized there was no elephant on it. So I went back. And he made me my elephant. And then I came back home. And then I left with my dad.
Stop.
No, this is my daughter.
Put that down.
This is my daughter. She's
I
14. You
understand
can't arrest a 14-year-old. No, you cannot. No, you can't. Bullshit. Let me get my dog.
You are not going
Let
to
me
walk
get my
over there.
fucking dog.
You are not going to walk over
He's gonna start fighting everybody. Let me get my dog. Let me get on the ground. Fucking dog.
Get on the
I'm
ground.
not a risky shit. Fuck, I'm not.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. On the ground. Stay down. Don't move. You stay down. Don't move. If you get up, you are going to get tased again. Do you understand me? You stay down.
Getting my dog.
Roll over onto your stomach.
I was getting.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Do not move.
I won't, sir. I won't. I won't move. Stop, baby! Can you put my dog away, please?
We will take care of your dog. Put your.
Please, I don't want you guys to shoot him or anything.
We're not gonna shoot your dog.
God damn it! You guys, I didn't do shit. I was trying to get my dog so he wouldn't
I've
attack
got the male in
you.
custody. We're still working on the.
Oh my God!
We'll take additional units.
Rod, did you see that shit? I was trying to get my dog. You guys!
You okay?
I was trying to help
The dog
you
bit you?
get my fucking dog.
Are you okay?
Multiple officers piled on the 14-year-old girl, slamming her to the concrete ground while she tried to go inside her own home, even as her father pleaded that she was a minor and they could not treat her that way. From Graham versus Connor, 1989, excessive force claims are evaluated under the Fourth Amendment's objective reasonableness standard, which requires careful attention to the facts and circumstances of each particular case. The father, John, only moved toward his dog to prevent it from being harmed, yet officers immediately pushed him, ignored his explanations, and deployed a taser multiple times after he repeatedly stated he was not resisting or threatening anyone, actions that appeared driven by ego rather than any real threat.
You're choking my dog! Can you get your feet out of the way? Can you get your feet out of the way? Good boys. Good boys. Good boys. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Just shut the door, please.
There you go. Dog's in.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Trying to help you guys. My God. It's a fucking joke. No wonder why you guys get bad rap. You fucking pushed me for no reason. I had no fucking whippets.
You are under arrest.
For what?
Obstructing and resisting
I didn't
arrest.
obstruct nothing. I was trying to help you.
Stop.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Stop.
Get your
Roll
captain.
on your side.
Can you please get your captain?
Yeah, they're all coming, dude.
Thank you.
Chill out.
Thank you. You're being a real asshole to me.
I am?
I didn't do shit to
Look
you.
at yourself,
I was trying to
bro.
get my dog. You threw me on the ground because I didn't want you guys to hurt my dog or hurt me or hurt my daughter.
Okay.
I'm not an asshole. Look at my record.
Stop.
Thank you. And you don't have to step on me like that.
I'm not stepping on you.
You just stepped on my skin.
Oh my gosh, get over yourself.
I'm not getting over myself.
Stop
Quit being so
crying.
fucking rough, man.
I'm pulling your probes out.
I
You chill out.
appreciate it.
Jesus.
Fucking A, man.
You're like a child.
Can I please get up?
No.
Oh, you're fuck.
Hang out with this dude for a sec.
I can run 8.
Okay.
Can I get up myself before you pull me? Please!
Then stand up.
You're pulling me! This is a
Jesus.
fucking joke!
You are ridiculous.
You are!
Shut
The way you fucking
Shut
just treated
your
me!
mouth. Spread your feet. And I haven't searched it.
I have nothing. My God!
Like, I believe you, dude.
I did. Yeah, right. That's why you're searching me, right?
Yeah, because I don't believe you.
Fucking joke. I would like to speak to your chief,
You can
please.
speak to them all. You're not going to speak to the
Please.
chief.
I would like to speak
Chief
to your
doesn't
chief,
care what you
please.
have to say.
I did absolutely nothing to you guys. I didn't even threaten you.
Okay, well, you're
I
going to go to
didn't threaten
jail.
you.
You're going to jail.
For what?
Obstructing and
I didn't
resisting.
obstruct nothing,
In the
dude. Oh my God. Can I get my Cubs hat, please? Can you put it on my porch, please?
Yeah,
It's on the porch. 6 feet in there.
double check those cuffs.
I'm not an asshole, you guys. Look at my fucking record. Can you please just give me a little bit for me?
You okay?
195, I don't know if we're still on emergency, but you can release the channel. We're code 4 on scene. Didn't mean to throw that in the trash. Wood's glasses are smashed. Haven't got bit by a dog.
There's a gun handles coming. There's a taser cartridge right there.
That's my taser cartridge.
Bigger. And then, what do you need? How about that?
If you want to talk to that person, see if he's willing to give us a statement.
Sure.
Yeah, we're good.
Good?
They're broken, bud. Sorry.
You want some hand sanitizer?
I should know. I'll just wait till the ambulance gets here and I'll just get an alcohol wipe real quick and then turn the ambulance on. Yeah, well, like some cardio horse or just
We're gonna need to see if that dog's current on rabies. If not, you need to start a rabies regimen. That's a mean little.
Yeah, he was biting him and
Yeah.
the
Where'd
girl,
you get
so that's
bit
why.
Just here, and then I don't know. It was biting my neck and shit when I was down the stairs.
So I went to grab the dog, and then I got it, and I was holding it, and I turned and nipped my finger, and I had it.
I reeled him in.
I know, I saw you grabbed by the neck.
Okay, we're going in the house.
Yeah, well, she was still fighting with him, so I didn't want to walk over with the dog and have it by hand.
All right. Oh, do we have an ambulance responding here?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
For the taser
For the taser
deployment?
deployment?
Nope. Let's get him cleared.
For him?
Do you need an ambulance here?
I thought we were just going to have him checked out by the
No.
ambulance.
So we'll just get him cleared at 200. Let's get out of this neighborhood. We don't need to all be here.
That's what
Unless you
Bob
disagree with
just
that.
said, unless we need 11 units over there, let's bring some units.
Okay.
Somebody taking
So-
pictures of you yet?
All right.
Do you have your phone on you? What do you have?
Do you want an ambulance here?
No, we can just go 200.
195. Can you cancel the bus here? Direct them to 200 for the eval, and then eval on 213 for a dog bite. Will you transport? You're on HV.
Yeah.
Whose car is this? Okay. Let's swap dude into your car. And will you transport to 200? And I'll come and write the paper on him, so that way you can get back on HV.
Sounds good.
Does that work? Yep. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, I have a light roller. Do you want a roller?
I've got one in my car. So I've
Ooh, go for the chop.
go for the chop.
Here, I'm going to get blood all
And
over
then
it.
do you,
Yeah.
do you want me to just take him on your phone?
So we'll take him on obstructing and resisting.
Wait.
He was like, nope, he was coming for you. So
Yeah,
that ain't gonna
well,
happen.
and that's, I was,
I tried dumping the dude to the ground,
I saw it.
but he yanked away, and then I'm like, get on the ground, and he goes, no, and he goes like this. I'm like, no,
well, that's
we're not
what
doing that
I was
today.
holding her.
I figured
I was
I had
worried
my
about you
taser
guys with him.
And then I saw him fighting with her, so I went to go grab her.
Yeah, no,
So,
that worked out. You're good though?
Okay, I'll-
Yeah, I was just worried about like when that whole
Where'd the
thing went
dog
down.
bite?
That's why I was just holding her.
dog bit his neck, I think.
They said there were no marks, so.
Your neck?
A little bit again.
Well,
Sorry about your glasses, dude.
Oh, dude, it's all good. Did you see when the dog came down the stairs and I had her on the stairs? I just put my freaking
I
head
saw
down.
that.
Like, oh my god.
that dude is not willing to do a statement. He
Okay.
said that this guy was trying to, whatever guy that you took, he was trying to restrain his dog, and then the officer went crazy on him.
Oh, good.
So, his name's John. He lives in that apartment.
All right,
That's
but he
all.
wasn't willing to make a statement. Okay, we got it all on camera. So
No, he was mad because we were going to arrest.
yeah, he's yelling.
He's like, she's 14, you can't arrest her.
You
I
can't arrest her.
know.
You can't arrest her.
She's been
Starts
arrested
screaming.
before.
I figured there's a different story here.
We're like, yeah, we can. We're trying to like mellow him out, so that wasn't working. All
And
right.
she was trying to get inside, back inside, away from us. We already came out here earlier, and
You told her she was under arrest, and she goes, "I'm gonna go inside." And you're
She
like,
goes,
no.
I need to put a tampon on.
I
I said
know.
no.
And then she started pulling away from
then
me.
you looked at me, and I was like, no, put her in cuffs.
No.
And then that's
Well,
when she was
because
like,
he started getting upset, and that's where I'm like, what exactly would just happen? I'm like, no, it is what it is.
So, okay.
Your cell phone? Do you want your cell phone to go with you if I find it? Yes or no?
I don't know where it is.
Keep probes in them?
No, I took the probes out. These are just the wires. We can take the wires off of them.
Thank you.
Probes are out.
See
Your
cell
cub,
phone laying out in the red for
your cubby's hat is down on your porch.
Thank you, sir.
Do you need anything else?
He's just gonna look for my phone. And
Okay.
That's all I need.
So we have your wallet. That was in your back pocket. We're not going to take your lighters with you. Those were in there also.
That's fine.
You're good with your wallet?
It's fine.
Okay.
I just want to make sure my phone's not outside.
You have 2 dogs inside. Is there anybody else going to come home tonight to care for the dogs?
My wife, I hope.
What time's she coming
I
home?
don't know, soon.
Okay.
She doesn't have a key.
Okay. And then lastly, your Jack Russell, the one that was outside, bit 2 officers.
I
Is
was
it
trying
current?
to help you guys. Yes, he is.
He's current
I
on all
have
rabies
registry.
and stuff?
Yes, he has a
Okay.
micro. He's chipped.
That's all I want
He's
to know.
current with
Make
his
sure I don't need
rabies.
to get one of my
No,
officers
sir.
like started on a rabies.
My wife has the scan chip in her wallet,
Okay. Okay. Awesome.
and he's got a microchip in him as well.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, he's current.
I
And
am.
I'm sorry. I was trying to stop my dog from going nuts like that, and I didn't want him to bite anybody.
What is your name?
My name's John Wayne.
John.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So I'm not going to ask you any questions, but I want to tell you my perspective. And I know you don't remember it, but we all have body-worn cameras.
Yeah.
You started yelling at the officer, telling that he can't
arrest my daughter. I
at this
remember that.
14, and then you started going towards that officer.
No, I was going towards my dog. I promise you.
But here's-
I
John,
promise
John,
you. I would never go after you
John,
guys.
listen.
Okay, you guys serve and protect. Listen to me, please.
Can you let me speak, and then I'll give you an opportunity? So you're yelling at us that we can't arrest your daughter, and then you start walking towards that officer.
It makes it look bad.
And I push you back, and you said no.
I'm going after my dog.
I understand that, but
And
you're
I
yelling
apologize.
at us. So that's what happened here. And
I'm
if
just-
I tell you to get on the ground and you
I did.
refuse, no, you didn't. I tased you and you fell to
You
the
did.
ground.
You're right. You're right.
So I told you
You're
like
right.
3 times to get on
You're
the
right.
ground.
You're
You
right.
gotta comply, man.
I wasn't threatening you guys, though. I was looking out for the safety of you guys and my dog.
Look.
I swear to God. I didn't
I'm a dog
see
guy.
that, though,
I'll
sir.
take care of your dog.
I didn't see that,
Okay.
sir. I apologize. Okay.
Regardless if you saw it or not, we
I know.
can't have you not listen to us.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
man.
It was frustrating. My 14-year-old daughter. You guys, 3 guys on my daughter. Why didn't you bring a female cop?
There was only one.
Why did you bring a female? There was 3 officers here. You, your son, the trainee, and the guy that was training
Right,
them.
so there was
The father was thrown down, tased while complying with orders to secure his dogs, and arrested for obstructing and resisting, even though body cam audio captured him calmly trying to protect his family pet and daughter without any physical aggression toward officers. From the 5th and 14th Amendments, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Officers stepped on him, mocked his concerns, and continued rough handling while he begged them not to hurt his dog or daughter, revealing a pattern where minor non-compliance, rooted in parental instinct, was punished with disproportionate violence instead of de-escalation, especially notable given the presence of a trainee officer being observed.
So there was only one
But
officer
why
on your
wasn't
daughter.
there a female cop
Because
for
there doesn't
her?
need to be. Sometimes we don't get to pick and choose the cops that come.
Okay. That's fair. Fair answer.
12% of our agency is females, which is higher than the national average.
Fair answer.
We didn't have one coming here today, okay?
I respect that.
All right, sir. So you're going to be booked in. I will be there with you, and I'll explain everything that's going on throughout the circumstance. I know it's a cruddy circumstance, but it
I
could have been a lot worse,
wasn't
okay?
going after you guys. I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
Look at my record, for Christ's sakes.
And I appreciate that, John. Okay? Watch your head getting in here. Jack Russell.
Can we just get there fast? Because
I'll do what I can for you.
my
Have a seat,
hands, I have super bad hands.
I'll do what I can
You guys
for
think
you.
I'm full of shit?
Did
I
we
had
check
surgery
his cuffs?
twice on one hand and
Turn
surgery
around.
one
Let's just
cheek.
make sure your
I'm-
cuffs are good. So here's the deal.
man. Your hooks, right?
Yep. So I can get a finger underneath that one and a finger underneath that one. So per our policy, they are perfect. We'll get you out of them quick, okay? Have a seat, John. Watch your head. I'll meet you there, Eric. He's calmed down. I explained everything. He figured it out. So I'll meet you there.
The family filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the Loveland officers involved, alleging excessive force in the 2020 incident that included manhandling the teen, tasing the father, and harming the family dog during the arrest over a slap that the alleged victim refused to prosecute. From 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, every person who, under color of any statute, ordinance, regulation, custom, or usage of any state, subjects, or causes to be subjected, any citizen to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured by the Constitution and laws, shall be liable to the party injured. The city of Loveland released the body cam footage publicly after the suit was filed in 2022 and announced an independent review, but as of the latest available information, there has been no reported settlement, disciplinary action against the named officers, or major policy changes, leaving the case as another example of accountability lagging far behind clear instances of cops breaking the very laws they swear to uphold.